Traditional underwear technological process, low production efficiency, rising labor costs, long training period, hard to learn well, unstable quality of finished products. Switching fast automatic recognition. Automatically adapt to different materials. One button start for presser conveying garment. For frame pressing garment. Use 9 # machine needle stable quality. Sewing speed 2200 RPM to 2700 RPM. Sectional type transfer fabric. Sewing while next garment waiting. High quality, high efficiency. Deye smart technological process. High production efficiency. Greatly reduce unqualified products. Reduce labor costs. Easy operation and maintenance. Intelligent manufacturing. Best choice Deye. Looking forward to opening win-win cooperation with you.